Basketball, you betcha. We're back again. It is the Daily Trainer, and I want to wish everybody a happy new year, of course. And I know you're probably traveling, so that is why we took a little break, because we know how the holidays are. But we are right back at it, ready to go, and I need you to be ready to go. Okay, so let's get started. First up, you know what we got to do. We got to warm up. We've had that Christmas break, we've had the New Year's break, so we gotta definitely warm up. So we're gonna go start with our arm circles, and then with our arm circles we're definitely going to stretch those arms out. After we stretch those arms out, we are going to get some jumping jacks in. After we use those jumping jacks, we are going to get some high knees in. Okay, then we're going to take that basketball and we're going to rotate that basketball around our head. We're going to rotate that basketball around our body, and we're going to rotate that basketball around our legs. Now, with all that being said, we're also going to go with the warm up through the legs as well. Okay, so when you're doing all of this, we aren't going to go with a number of sets. We're going to go with time. Okay, so everything you're doing is going to be around 30 seconds each. Okay, just going to get a nice long stretch, going to get a nice warm up in that heart rate up with the jumping jacks, also with those high knees, and then wrapping those balls around the leg. We're going to go forward, we're going to go backwards. Okay, you know, keep it simple. We'll go around one leg, we'll go around the other, and then we should be nice and ready to go. Now that we're all nice and warmed up, we're going to go ahead and start right away with a liner. Oh yeah, you're running right away. We got to get in shape. Saw a couple teams over a couple holiday tournaments lose just because they weren't in shape. So don't be that person that can't defend, can't run up the court, and can't guard the guy that's scoring all the points. All right, we're going to go with the liner. Remember, liner is a free throw line back, half court and back, free throw line and back, and then full court. Then after we do a liner, you're going to take that basketball and you're going to dribble 10 sidelines with their weakest hand that you choose. Okay, so if it's your left hand, dribble with your left. If it's your right hand, dribble with your right. Okay, we're going to go up the sideline one time, coming back. Okay, that'll be one, that'll be two. All right, and then we got 10 of those. Then you go ahead and get you some water, because I know you'll be a little thirsty after that. When you come back from getting that water, I want you to go to the free throw line and make 10 quick free throws. After making these free throws, I want you to get that basketball and I want you to start dribbling as hard as you can. Low dribbles first, of course. We're going to go right hand and low with the left hand as well. And we are going to do this for 30 seconds each hand, and we are going to go straight into the high dribble, not the mid dribble today. And we're going to go 30 seconds there. Then we're going to work on our V dribble, and then we're going to work our side dribble. And this is all going to be stationary. After we get done warming up those handles, we're then going to start moving with that basketball. First one we're going to go pound and go through the legs right away. Pound through the legs. Then after we go pound through the legs for 30 seconds on the move, we're going to go pound cross through the legs for 30 seconds on each side as well. Okay, then after that, the next one I want to see pound behind the back, cross it over. Pound behind the back, cross it over. Okay, we're going to go both sides there. Remember, this is going to be moving. This is going to be on both sides. And then the last one I want to see with dribbling on the move today is I want to see cross through combination. So that's 3 dribble move. And I think that right there is going to get us nice and fluid in our dribble motion and feel good about it. Okay, then once we get done there, I want you to go to the free throw line and make 10 free throws. While you're at the free throw line, I want you to remember this: are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Are you the hardest working player on the floor? Whether it's practice, whether it's a shooting drill, or is it even in the game? And you know what? I'm going to add this. You can still be the hardest working player in the gym on the bench. Are you cheering for your teammates? Are you calling out plays? Are you talking to your teammates that come off the floor and helping them what you see off the floor? These are a couple things that you have to think about when you are playing basketball. Okay, let's get back into it. All right, so now we are going to make shots. That's the easiest thing to do, right? Wrong. It's the hardest thing to do. We got to continue to get better at it. So right away, I want you to form shoot right under the rim. We're going to keep it simple and quick today. You're going to go 3 each side. 3 on the right side of the rim, 3 in the middle, 3 on the left side, okay? Really work that form, make that shot. Then we're going to go right under the basket. We're just going to make a quick 10. Boom, 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 right on the right. Boom, 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 left on the left, okay? Then you're going to go Mikins 10, okay? You're going to go right hand, and you're going to go left hand. You're going to jump off 1, catch, gather, jump off 1, okay? Then we're also going to do it off of 2 feet, okay, today as well. Then after we do that, we're going to take it back to the basics. We're going to work our 1-step layup outside the key and really work on our angle off the glass. We're going to shoot it high. We're going to shoot a regular one, okay? So I want you to do 4 makes of those each. Make sure to throw it high off the glass as well today, okay? Those bigger guys are blocking those shots, and now you know why. So let's get it higher off the glass. So you're going to go right, then you're going to go left side as well, okay? Remember the steps. Right here, they're showing that what to do here zoomed in, okay, with the footwork. Then we're going to work on the step and the jump stop, okay? Once you work on the jump stop, and I want you to work on the same finishes. I want you to work a high finish. I want you to work just a regular finish, okay? You're going to go right, then you're going to go left. Okay, then to finish this up, just close range shots, we're gonna go floaters. All right, nothing wrong with knocking those floaters down. Okay, we're gonna go floaters with no backboard, and then we're gonna go floaters with the backboard. Okay, simple stuff, keeping it simple. Right, middle, and then we're gonna go left. Remember, on the left side, you can use your right hand. All right, then we're gonna stretch it out. We're gonna go 5 spot layups. Coming baseline, coming wing, coming top, coming wing, coming baseline. Okay, we're going to do 2 sets of those because we need work at that, of course. Make sure to elevate and extend and finish. Don't flip and twist the ball hoping for it to spin in, okay? Because when you get tired or when you get bumped, that spin isn't going to be the same exact motion that you are seeing success in right now when you're making that shot. So please elevate. Try to slap the glass or extend to the glass if you're younger and get that ball high off the glass. All right. We're going to go 2 times through. Make sure you're working your rip throughs and working your footwork in this drill. Then you're going to push the ball out. You're going to work your jump stop and you're going to rip through reverse at the baseline. Okay. And then we're going to open up outside and we're going to finish there. All right. Again, these are all skills you need to finish layups around the basket. So I'm giving you a different variety again today. Then we're going to do just a little bit of shooting today, not as much as we typically do in the past or what we have done in the past. Today you're just going to shoot off the glass, 3 levels, and then you're going to shoot around the world. Okay, 2 sets of each. Shooting off the glass, you want to make 4 each set, and make sure you're focusing on that touch off the glass. All right, and then around the world, you're just going 2 times around. Let's make all of our shots today not hitting any backboard. So even when you're close range, I want you to make it without touching the backboard. All right, and then you're going to the free throw line. You're going to shoot 10 free throws. You're going to make those free throws. Then after you make those free throws, you're going to give me 2 sets of liners, and that's it. That's it, basketball. You call it a day. We're just first day back for some of you guys. And for some, you guys have been grinding, looking at old videos and still working until I got back with a little bit of something new for you. But we're just going to get you back into the flow of things, and then we're going to get back rolling again. Don't worry, you're going to see some different clips of me out there sweating it out, giving you a couple different things you can do. Add a little bit of step back maneuvers in there, and maybe add a little spin move or something, and so you guys can start getting a little saucy out there on the floor. Get a couple oohs and ahs, unless of course you're shooting lights out. But if you're not, don't worry about it. Basketball U, we will be back tomorrow. All right, and always remember this: someone's always working. Are you?